We've done garden projects in my class where we designed outdoor garden beds and they took the area and perimeter. I teach math, so it was a really like natural integration. But I wanted to see if we could get all of the kids involved. Creating a common theme of we are growing together, we're going to be able to, plant together, harvest together, enjoy it together, was just like a really nice idea.
So we've been growing like lettuce, dill, basil, and we get to use it in the cafeteria, and we just like learn about how it like does, and it's like really fun.
You're so lucky to have the Education Foundation. They fund so many of the projects I've done in the district in my tenure here so far, but they provided the actual little tabletop growers, and there are 53 of them in the building.
Everybody gotta put like the seeds in, and they gotta pour water and stuff. I helped measured and I helped snip a little bit, and then I like put them in plastic bags.
We're really excited to have been one of the recipients of the Grow Ohio grant through ODEW. And it's a large grant, it's like $17,000. Because we applied under the Edible Gardens grant, we are able to integrate with our nutrition team and harvest what we are growing and put it in the cafeteria for the kids to then enjoy.
Did some roasted vegetables with the fresh dill and fresh basil, which went over great with the kids. Just the excitement that the students get when they know something has been grown by their own students. I think that's one of the things that really surprised us.
It was really good. It's just like we made them, and it's like you never really get to do those things in school. So I'm just really happy that we get to do that here.